Welcome back to everyone who just jumped right into folder number 2 after you guys did the first one. And welcome back to those of you who waited a full day to do it. Alright, so character part 2 going on. Okay, today is a little less confusing than yesterday, so if you were able to figure out yesterday's folder and assignment, you are good to go for today pretty much. Okay, so task 1, you're watching me explain the page right now. Task 2 is like a 2-minute video talking about today's PowerPoint and then explaining today's assignment. So make sure you go in here to figure out how to do today's assignment. Okay, after those two, you're going to download the character strengths PDF, which is right here, and turn it in right here by midnight on April 28th. Okay, so it's due on Tuesday of this week at midnight. Okay, if you're confused about where to get your answers from, refer to your results from yesterday's assignment. So in order to complete this, you need to do yesterday's assignment and have that screenshot with those answers. Okay, the character PowerPoint that we talk about right here, you can find the link here or you can find it down here, okay, to have access to that. Otherwise, here's your assignment and here is where you turn it in. Good luck.